But on a sad note, some of them are displaced because of the flooding, so they expect this regional parliament to discuss those issues and respond immediately. I thank you.
And I also chair the Committee on Public Service and Local Government. Right Honorable Speaker, thank you very much for bringing Parliament to the north, and welcome to Gulu, where God lives. Right Honorable Speaker, I also would like I'm very happy that the Honorable Minister Musa Ichwero is here today. He had promised to come to Gulu to see the road that was poorly designed by UNRWA and claiming lives almost weekly. Honorable Minister, the road is right there on your right, and it runs from Bank of Uganda to Custom Corner. Probably you will take time to work with your team to do the needful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lagen de Virtua Han, Ojara Mapenduzi started their introduction straight away with what and highlight of the problem in Acoli or in their area is all about. Lagen David, after greeting the people or the members of parliament, went ahead to say the issue of flooding, which is a very serious issue, the issue might stop, but the consequences of the flooding will need government intervention, such as maybe providing food or carpets, and also the assessment on the extent of damage caused by the flooding to crops in the garden, since most people in his constituency, that's the Gago, farmers. Ojara Mapenduzi talked about the road, the tarmac road by UNRWA, the need for the improvement of the road in Gulu City. But all these are just for introduction, for the greetings. I don't know whether they have been tipped that these issues might not be on the order paper. Reports that have come in shows that it is going to be read by the Minister of Northern Uganda in the report. Then the people will have to add what is missing in the report. We will be seeing the development. Thank you.